Okay, so here we are today in a 2020 model Chausson 640 titanium. I'm going to show you how the main control panel works and also the Webasto diesel heating system. So first of all, we have the power, which is also known as the master switch. We just press and hold to turn the vehicle on and off. We also have a small symbol here that tells me, because it's lit up, that I'm on a 240 supply or that I've got hookup plugged in. So first of all, the green button, like I say, is power. The second is our lights. The tap symbol here is for our pump. And then the far top right hand corner is another light, which is our outside light or our awning light. In the bottom left hand corner, we have a small symbol of the rear of a vehicle inside a battery, which is our leisure battery levels. As you can see from this vehicle, we're fully charged. The second symbol in is a picture of a chassis and a cab inside a battery, which is our engine battery, and again showing that I'm fully charged. This button here is a tank which is open at the top, which tells me our fresh water levels, which this is a display vehicle, so we don't have any water in. And then we also have a symbol here, which is our waste water, which will alert you when that is full. So as you can see, when I press one of the buttons, it corresponds to one of the symbols here, which then gives us the display. And then finally, this bottom right hand button gives me the brightness of this screen. So if I press and hold, you can see it goes from full brightness. If I press and hold again, it will go down and dim the screen, so obviously when you're in bed it doesn't keep you awake. And that's it for the control panel. So this here is your control panel or your controller for your Webasto diesel heating. Your Webasto diesel heating is a small diesel generator underneath, usually on the passenger side, underneath the vehicle. Has nothing to do with your engine. All it does is it pulls a fuel line from your diesel tank to fuel the small generator. It's a really simple controller with one dial and a light in the middle. The easiest way to do it is to turn it on full, which will then start up a warm-up cycle and pull fuel through. You'll see the lights might be flickering in here, and that's fine just because it's pulling a bit of power through. What I always do is turn it on full, let's get it up to temperature, and then once it's up to temperature, we turn it about halfway. Halfway is approximately 20 degrees. It will then be thermostatically controlled, and your temperature sensor is here, and then it will stop when it gets up to temperature, and then obviously turn on when it's needed. There is a green button in the middle which shows normal working, but if there is a series of flashes, that denotes an error. One of the most common errors is that it doesn't have enough diesel in your tank. Your Webasto system will never run down your diesel, so if your diesel's on reserve, it will come up as an error. But like I say, the biggest thing to remember are, don't worry about if there's a bit of flashing lights. You'll have flashing lights when it starts up because that's your warm-up cycle, and you also might get some flashing lights when you turn your Webasto system off, because again, it's going through a cool down cycle. To turn your Webasto system off, all we do is turn it to the far left. Simple.